What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, haven't said that in a while. Anywho, today's video, as you can already see by the title, is a haul sponsored by none other than Jurllyshe. I've always wanted to work with Jurllyshe, or I've wanted to sample their clothing, and they were so kind enough to send me a couple pieces that I'm gonna share with you. So here they are. Wait, hold on. I got some right here, and some of them are out of the packaging because I already wore them. I had to wear some of them, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys the pieces. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment down below which one is your favorite piece. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first piece we're going to start off with is this black t-shirt. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, actually it is my perfect size. I was a little bit worried, as I always am when I'm shopping, that they won't have my size because I wear an extra small, and I believe this was a small, but it fits exactly how I would have wanted it to fit. It's not too baggy and it's not too tight. It's literally just the perfect size. It has these little hearts on it. Yeah, I'm aware that's why it's a wrinkle up, but you know, pay that no mind, pay that no mind. I love it. I think this does feel like cotton material. It is a size small. It's not too thick, and of course it's not too thin, so it's very breathable. Yeah, and I love this so much that I also got it in white. On the package, just look at it, it's so cute. A little sticker on this paper. Let's focus on the clothes. So this is the white version, which I think is also very cute. It's literally just the opposite of what the black shirt is. Same fitting, same size, same feel, everything. So literally just identical, it's just a different color. I know you guys already see me in it because the black shirt probably gave it away. But the next item on the list is this leather jacket. I am so in love. When I went on the site, I was like, yes, I have to have it. 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 This, I think it would keep me warm because when I wore it, I was actually very hot. Very hot. But after all, I am in Jamaica, so I don't think I should have expected anything less. The material is good. I don't see it stripping. I don't see it stripping yet. I don't see any loose threads or nothing like that. I like the design on it. It's really cool. It's sporty. It's like what you'd wear on a racetrack. If I was one of those girls that was in a racer competition, or I was like the host, or like the flag girl that was doing the go. I don't know. I think I would wear this. But yeah, it's super cute. The only thing I will say about it though is that I expected it to be cropped, because on the model it stopped right above her waist, so that is what I really wanted. But this is kind of covering my butt when I put it on properly, so I just threw it over my shoulders, and that was the look that I went for. But it paired beautifully with the black shirt that I showed you guys first, and my little leather shorts and whatever. Of course I'm gonna pop a picture up of the fit. Yeah, but yeah, love this. If you want to see me in sweat, as Mr. just man on the business, rest me, okay? Rest. I'm hot and I'm not turning on the fan because I don't want the noise in y'all's ears. So y'all should be grateful that I'm trying to spare y'all ears and not spare myself in this heat. We got another graphic tee, and this is what it got. What does it say? It says Health Star. Whoa, it's be money key, man. So it has a skull, and it looks like he's on fire, but I like it. I'm sorry, I like it. It's so cute. I haven't tried this one on yet, but you guys will see how it fits in the try on portion. It looks like it might be a little bit oversized. I'm sure I can figure out a way to dress it up or dress it down. Oh, this is just so cute. I love it. It's plain. Once again, it's just another cotton tee, and this is also in the size, it is a size small, although I'm not seeing the tag in the shirt right now. Wait, hold on. Oh no, this is actually a medium. That makes sense. What is mixer? So if you're, you know, my size, get a small if you want it to fit like how the black one fit me. But I think I can make something work with this, you know. I can make something work. Next up is this two-piece skirt set, and this is what the top looks like. It's a very stretchy material. Material is very thin. I don't think it would be see-through though if I put it on. This looks like it's supposed to be a crop top, but I think it's gonna be a little bit big for me. But I think it's really cute, and it was cute on the model, so I'm going to find a way. Some way, somehow, to make this look cute on me. Is either make it tie it up or make it cut it up or something, customize it. That's another thing that you girlies can do. Customize your outfits if they don't look like how they're supposed to look, or if they don't look like the model when you put it on, you know. And not everything will fit with the same. That's the beauty of clothes. So that's the design that we got going on. What did it say? It said, what? Such cutie. I think that's what it says. I hope you can read. Yeah, and the back is plain. And the skirt says the same thing, such cutie. And this is what she looks like. And it has these tassels on the end. You're not supposed to tie them. You're literally just supposed to leave them like that. I tried this skirt on and it is a little bit long for my liking. So I'll try to find a way, some way, somehow, like I said, to customize it and make it shorter, because the shorter, the better. Next up on the list, this one was a surprise because I think the thing that I picked, they didn't have it in stock, and I was just like, surprise me. And this is what they sent. I don't know if I love it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I love it. It says Celine. And this look big. This look like it could be a size large. Let me look at the size. Whoa, it literally says size small, but it's giving large. This well big. This is real big. I feel like I'm gonna cut it up and wear it as a dress or something, but this is what she looks like. Yeah, same cotton material. It's a little bit stretchy, but I think it's cotton. You know, I'm not be sure. Look, I'm telling you all the while, as long as I've been doing hauls, I still don't know my fabrics. Well, it's actually 65% polyester and 35% cotton, so I wasn't wrong. I wasn't that wrong. And now that I think about it, I think the other stuff are probably the same. Maybe a little more percent of cotton. But you know, we are cotton in this, I'm never wrong. Also came with a skirt, and this is what the skirt looks like. It's giving cheerleader skirt, but this long bad, and it looked big. So I'm definitely going to get this altered. I'm not sure if I like the blue and red. I don't know how I feel about that. But of course, Shelby always does what she does and makes things work. So I will not be surprised if I do something to the outfit and it turns out being extremely cute. So next up we have this two-piece set. However, this is the first thing I wore out of the package, and I literally saw the shorts today, and now I don't know where it is. But this is the top. This is what the top looks like. Right, and I guess this is the Alexander Wang dupe, because there you have the Wang. It won't wash, obviously, but I never want to put it in the wash. I know some have this. Do you understand? It feels really good. It's really stretchy, and I just love it because it's all black. It has this turtleneck thing going onto it, although I don't like stuff that come too high up my neck, so I kind of folded it when I wore it. I'll insert a picture of how that looked. Really comfy. The shorts, I feel like I wanted the shorts to fit a little bit tighter, but it's fine. Paired it with some sneakers and 8. Next on the list, I have this top. So this is a mesh top. It looks like it's either going to fit or it might be a little bit big. It doesn't seem like it's going to fit tight. I don't know how I'm going to wear this yet. The design I see on it, what is this? I have no idea. I have no idea what this is, but this is what it looks like close up. Really stretchy. Really stretchy. If you're a medium, I think you can fit into this too. I'll figure out a way how to style this. Nothing is coming to my mind yet, and I'm not sure if I like it yet. I feel like when I try it on and get a vision, I always see how much on a scale of 1 to 10 I like it, you know. This is the last 2-piece set that I got, and it's basically this gallery department sweat set, I guess. It's giving joggers. I wish the end had the little ruching or the little elastic, but it doesn't. It's just straight end. I wanted it to have like what this have up here. So, but on one leg you see the gallery department. It comes all the way down to my ankles, I think, but y'all will see it in the little try on portion. I'm gonna see what type of fabric this, because clearly I don't know my fabrics. Polyester and spandex, that's why it's so stretchy. Down here is stretchy as well, so I think this could just fit a small and an extra small, because it fits me okay. I don't know if I wanted it a little bit tighter or a little bit looser, but y'all will see that in the try on section, as I said. And this is the top. I wish the top was smaller. It's giving big, and not the type of big that I like. It just looked like it'll swallow me instead of being like a look. But it's black. I must find a way to make it work, because I always do. I probably cut it up and turn it into a dress. You just never know with me. It's very, very stretchy. And the last item in this haul, I was very, very excited about it. I had a vision, but the vision didn't work, because the top that I wanted to pair it with, it's a shade off, so I'm gonna have to source another top. But it's these pants, and I absolutely love them. I love them, I love them, I love them so much. They're like straight jeans. Would I say mom jeans? I don't think they're mom jeans, but they're a little bit distressed. It says gallery department. It says gallery department on the back. It has these little paintings all over them, like they splashed some acrylic paint all over it. There's a little blotch of green, there's some black and white, there's some pink, and then down there so just ripped up. It is so distressed. Down there so them splashed like a black, and then the ends are not hemmed. What do you call this? Raw hem. Yeah, I love it so much. I love it so much. It is a little bit big, but I feel like I could get away with it depending on how I style it. I don't want it too fitted, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the stuff that I got in this haul. I love them. I think my favorite piece had to be the black shirt that I showed you guys first, along with the jacket, and also those brown pants. Yeah, I think those are my favorite items out of this haul. You guys let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and let me know if you also want to see me do more hauls. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you with my sweaty self, or maybe not with my sweaty self, in the next video. Bye.